All right, a little toolbox tour of my 5-drawer cart that I converted to 10-drawer. I'm a little bored right now. I still have this thing, it hasn't sold yet. Hopefully with this nicer weather it'll go, but metric side sockets, 3/8 and quarter, ratcheting wrenches, love them. Get them on eBay too. You can get them for like half price. It's even better than the Inside Track Club. SAE side, both sets of wrenches here, flex head and normal. JES screwdrivers, you need them for the Japanese bikes. Get the vessel kind, and then a few snap-ons. And I bought these when I was in 9th grade and worked at the Yamaha shop. The snap-on 500, Indy 500 commemorative set. Still love them. Pliers. That's the top big drawer right there. Allen set. And because of the Alien Space Savers, I probably, yeah, this drawer's got nothing in it. Some more wrenches that I cut apart and make special tools with. Some extra ratchets that I'll probably take out of there and try selling them or something. You never use them. Milwaukee cordless tools. And then the second part, which I wish I wouldn't have done because it is kind of, it doesn't fit tight. Electric stuff. It's tape. Gotta have a tape drawer. Fittings. See, you don't even use it that much. Just junk. And more junk. So all in all, I kind of wish I wouldn't have wrecked a second box making this 10-drawer, but it still works good. Cleaned up. I had a black one here that I basically threw out, full of junk. I just love throwing stuff out. It gives you enough room where you can, I don't know, you just feel cleaner. Cleaned off my bench. I tell you, when you got nothing to do, you can get a lot cleaned. So that's the update, Moonlight Garage. Hopefully I get another bike in here soon to work on. We'll see what's out there.